Hello students, today we will discuss about some important numerical questions on how to calculate the equivalent capacitance of the combination series capacitance and parallel capacitance. So let's start. The very first question is like this. Simply suppose it is node A, it is node B, and each capacity of capacitor is 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad, and you have to calculate the equivalent capacitance between node A and B, means CAB, equivalent capacitance between node A and B. Then how you will approach this question? So let us start. I have always told you many times that whenever you have to solve the questions and you have to calculate the equivalent capacitance between any two points, then what you will do, which steps you will follow. First of all, you should simply roughly uh, make for your convenience understanding. Simply suppose that it is a power source, like battery is added over here, and the current will start flowing from like this, and that current will enter here like this, and it will leave and it will come back, right? It means the current entering from node this is passing through this, and it is going to divide here between 2 and 2, and then it combine. It means whenever current will divide, so it is very clear if those elements are connected in parallel. So these two elements are connected in parallel, and when elements are connected in parallel, when your capacitance are connected in parallel, you simply add like algebraic summation, right? C parallel क्या होता है? You will add simply C1 plus C2 like this. This is 2 microfarad plus 2 microfarad. This 4 microfarad. And now this diagram will be reduced like this: 2 microfarad, 4 microfarad, and it is 2 microfarad. It is point B, it is point E. And now you can simply add, and all these are in series, because if current will enter from this side, then what will happen? Current if will enter from this side, it will go this side. There will be no other alternative path to divert the current which is entering at node A, and that's why all these elements are connected in series. And for series combination of capacitance, you know that you will simply do you will simply do 1 by 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. It means simply 1 by 2 micro 1 by 4 microfarad plus 1 by 2 microfarad. Now you have to take LCM. It is 2 plus 1 plus 2 divided by 4. It means 5 by 4. And now it means 1 by C equal to 5 by 4, or you can say C equal to 4 by 5 microfarad. This is the answer of this question. So what you have understand from this question? First of all, we should able to recognize which element are connected in series and which particular element are connected in parallel. And for differentiate this series and parallel, you have to, if your dilemma, then simply add the power source and make a arrow representation of current. It will remove your doubt and possibility to silly mistakes that's often we happen during the solution of the question. Sometimes we know which elements are connected in parallel and which elements are connected in series, but by calculating we do some mistakes. So if you use this method, then possibility of mistakes will be reduces to zero. Now move to next question. Simply take another question. Just take like this. Is node A, is node B, and the capacitance of each capacitor is 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad. Each one has 2 microfarad. It is also 2 microfarad. And now we have to calculate the equivalent capacitance between nodes A and B. Then what we will do? Then again we will use the same principle. First of all, we will try to recognize which particular elements are connected in series and which particular elements are connected in parallel. Then which formula or which method we will use for recognizing this? Simply do this in the same diagram. Simply you have, let us assume you have added battery over here. Current will enter from this side. Current will divide at this point, right? This and this. It means these two branches are in parallel, and the current which will pass through this capacitor will also pass through this capacitor, will also pass through this capacitor. It means that this and this, all these three capacitance are in series, all in series. Then for this particular portion, what we will do, if we know particular section in series, for series combination of capacitance, what we will do, 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. It means that 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it means 3 by 2, simply means C equal to 2 by 3 microfarad. And now the diagram will reduce like this. Diagram will reduce like this. Simple. This 3 by this 2 by 3 microfarad. This 2 microfarad. This 2 microfarad. And this 2 microfarad. And simple. If any then you have second time you have to recognize which particular element in series and which particular element are in parallel. Then how will you recognize? Simply suppose that you have added a power source like this again, right? And this current will flow. Current will come at this point, then current will divide at this. It means simply that these two elements are in parallel. And if the elements are parallel, and if the capacitors are in parallel, what will happen? C equal to C1 plus C2. It means 2 plus 2 by 3. 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 2 8. It means 8 by 3 microfarad. And now by simplifying this diagram will be reduced as like this. It is a 2 microfarad. It is 8 by 3 microfarad, and now it is 2 microfarad is B. And now if you take, and if you have any dilemma or any question and confusion, how you will solve or what you have to do, then simply apply the same thing. Apply a voltage source like here. Current will enter from node A side, and the same current will pass through 2 microfarad, 8 by 3 microfarad, and 2 microfarad again. It means simply that all these three elements are connected in series, and if capacitance are in series, and what we will do, simply for series combination, 1 by C equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 8 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2, and if you solve it more, then it is a 4 by 8 is 3 by 8 is 4 by 8. So 4 3 7 7 or 4 11 by 8 microfarad, or you can say C equal to 8 over 11 microfarad. So this is the capacity of the this circuit. And again we will see the question from very beginning. Whenever a question will come to you and you have to solve it, first of all recognize which particular element are connected in series and which particular element are connected in parallel. And whenever you have recognize it very clearly, then try to solve, and keep in mind very clear, and don't be confused with the combination of resistors, because in resistors and capacitance the formula for series and parallel are opposite. In capacitors, in series you will write 1 upon that quantity. In resistance case, in series case, you will simply write like algebraic summation. So keep in mind this difference between capacitance and resistance, and apply the same logic of find out which element in series and which element contained in parallel, and you will simply solve the question within a fraction of second without doing any mistakes. So students, in this class we will end here, and in our next class we will meet with the next question. Thank you students. Kindly share this lecture and subscribe this channel for latest lectures, and write your comment and feedback in comment section. Thank you students. Thank you.